Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your Fitbit Versa 4 to an Android phone. First, ensure your Versa 4 has at least 50% battery. Next, download the official Fitbit app from the Google Play Store onto your Android device. Crucially, enable Bluetooth on your phone through its settings. Finally, keep your Versa 4 within 10 feet of your phone throughout the initial setup to ensure a stable connection. These initial steps are vital for a smooth pairing process. Now, let's pair your devices. Open the Fitbit app on your Android phone and either log in or create a new account. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner, then select Set up a device. Choose Versa 4 from the list of available Fitbit devices. The app will guide you through the remaining steps, including entering a 4-digit code displayed on your Versa 4 screen. This confirms the connection between your watch and phone. Once paired, your Versa 4 will automatically sync data to your phone whenever the Fitbit app is open and Bluetooth is active. For a manual sync, simply pull down on the dashboard within the Fitbit app. If you encounter any syncing issues, try restarting both your Versa 4 and your Android phone. Also, verify that the Fitbit app has all necessary permissions enabled in your phone settings to ensure uninterrupted data transfer. These steps resolve most common problems. To optimize your syncing experience, always keep your Fitbit app updated to its latest version. This ensures you have the newest features and bug fixes. Regularly check your phone's battery optimization settings to allow the Fitbit app to run continuously in the background. Explore the app settings to customize notifications and data tracking preferences. Maintaining a strong internet connection on your Android phone is also important for reliable data transfer and a seamless experience with your Versa 4.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.